Hi there, dear pal. Welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tips. In this simple, short video, I'm going to show you how NearPod can be used to create wonderful, interactive lessons. Involve your slides presentation together with questions and activities within the same presentation, and soliciting and getting students to show their answers immediately in the presentation. This is teacher's panel and this is students panel, and when the students sign into your lesson, you can control them according to your speed. You can show them your presentation first. In between slides, you can have drag and drop activity. You can match activity. You can come back to the slides. You can have drawing activities. You can write certain answers, answers in type form. You can get students to give you open-ended answers to open-ended questions. You type an answer and you can actually show the answers of the whole class. You can also collaborate board where you can get all students to post their answers, and all the answers will appear right on the same board, cross in post-it formats. And then in time you can have your slides back again. So now without further ado, we'll show you how these activities are played by the students or participated by the student, and how it will show up on the teacher's panel, with a teacher's panel on the left and the student's panel on the right. Let's dive right in. Remember to click subscribe at the bottom or click subscribe up here. Alright, in the future video we'll be showing you how to create NearPod interactive lessons from the scratch. Alright, after the student gets to sign in, alright, in this NearPod website, okay, then the student's account will appear with their name there, and then you can start your lesson. So immediately, as you start by clicking the next page, you can start representing a slide, and the student will see the same slide, and then you are in control. Right? Once you click to the next slide, you can plan to get your student to do certain activities, and in this video we're going to show you one of the activities, fill in the blanks. Right? The student just have to click and drag into a certain location. Right? Okay, something like that. Then once the student is done, and click done, and then they will show up the answer. As in, student will be encouraged with their answers, or the number of tries, and then you will also be seeing their the score right on the screen. The next activity we show will be the matching activity. Student have to match pairs, right? And doing so, right? If not, you then manage to get the correct answer, their answers will disappear. Once the student got all the answers correct, they will also get an encouragement panel, and then the results will show in the presentation panel as well in the teachers. The third activity we demonstrate is collaborative board, where students get to key in their potential answers, and then it will appear on the screen board as well. Whatever the students type, it will all appear on the teacher screen. And one more item they will be showing is the draw it activity, the drawing board. Student can draw on the answer as part of their answers, or they can actually type in wordings as their answers, okay, as a text. Alright, whatever they draw, whatever they type, they will appear on the screen in front of the class as well, on teacher's panel. Okay, you can click on any student's work and expand it to show the class, or to go through as interactive with the class. The last activity we will show will be the open-ended question. When you start the question, you can set a certain time for the student to answer your question. Once the students submit their answer, they'll be encouraged, and then the answers will show on the board for you to go through the answers with the students. Awesome, right? The lesson is so interactive. I hope you find this video informative and beneficial. In the next video, look forward to it. We'll be showing you how step by step, how do you create an NearPod lesson from the scratch with all the interactive and fun activities. Please remember to subscribe with clicking this round button or any of the videos here. And see you again. Take care.